Hey everybody, do you make homemade wine? I do. Let me ask you this. Have you ever poured a glass of wine for a friend and had it look like this? Look at how dark and cloudy, and can you see the floaties in there? It tastes good. It tastes really good. But wouldn't you rather serve a glass of wine that looks like this? Look at that. No floaties, crystal clear, and it tastes just as brilliant as the other version. But no embarrassing moments, no floaties. Because I'm sorry, when you pour me a glass of wine, it's got floaties in it, I'm not sure I want it. So let me ask you, this or this? Which would you rather drink? I know which I'd rather drink. This guy. Crystal clear, no floaties. That's right. Stick around and I'm going to show you how to have wine that looks like this every single time. So to filter your own wine, today we're using a mini jet filter. I posted a link down in the description so you can get that on Amazon for about $150. Once you have the mini jet filter, to filter a batch of wine, you're going to need a set of filter pads. These are about $2.99, and you're going to use the filter hoses you already have. One hose is a discard tube, hooks right here, and everything that flows over outside of the filter is going to go into there. And I like to filter near a sink, so the discard can just go right to the sink. You're going to need the siphon tube, and then you're going to need the return tube to a clean carboy. So let me show you how to get this set up, and we'll start filtering some wine. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to open up our filter pads, and you do need to get them wet. So we just wet these down, make sure they're wet all the way through, and then we're going to get them set up on our filter. Basically, they just slide in here. Make sure you line up the holes, slide down into place. Then we're just going to tighten up, tight as you can get it. All right, now we have everything hooked up. So what we're going to do is the water is going to come in here, prime, go through here, into the filter. It's going to come out here, and we're going to run water into the sink for now. So first thing I do is put the siphon in a glass of water. This is a paper filter, so you want to get all those little paper chunks out. So get the siphon tube in there, fill it with water, and I usually leave the water running while I turn the pump on. The switch is on the back, so you can see the water flowing through here. I'm going to run about 64 ounces of water through here. So you can see the water coming out of here. I'm going to stop this filter, and we're going to go ahead and get the siphon tube into the wine. Our siphon tube with the cap on the bottom so we don't pull sediment right off the bottom. We're just going to put this in. I put it about halfway down to start so that I'm not pulling off the bottom. I want to pull as little off the bottom as possible because the more sediment you pull, the quicker the filter will clog up. Now that the siphon tube's in the wine, we're going to go ahead and start the filter, and we're going to run the water all the way through it till the wine gets all the way through the line. Then we're going to put the exit tube into the carboy where we're filtering into. The filter's running. Actually, you see it just changed color there, so now we got wine coming out. We're going to go ahead and get this tube into the carboy we're filtering into. Okay, now the filter's running. We're filtering wine. It's coming out the exit tube and going into the carboy. Look how clear that wine is now. So after the initial cost of the filter, this only costs $2.99, basically just for some filter pads to filter 6 gallons of wine. So there you go. That's how to filter your homemade wine like a pro. Enjoy. I know I'm going to. That's delicious. So I hope you found this information helpful. Please like my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You'll get new videos. You'll get notifications if you click that little bell when I post new videos. And leave me a comment. If there's something you'd like me to review or do here and present a how-to, I'd be happy to do it. Leave me a comment. Thanks for stopping by.